ESA produces high-quality products and solutions in the field of railway electrical engineering to make rail transportation even safer and more reliable. This includes the electrical and geothermal switch heating systems. This smart, fully automatic, and weather-controlled operating principle heats switches safely and cost-effectively. As a long-term certified Q1 system supplier for Deutsche Bahn AG, ESA developed the VHVI switch heating system. But fully automatic lighting systems for platforms and tracks, emergency power supply systems on electrified tracks, switchgears for ETA systems powering railway tunnels, and ready-for-connection substations supplying power from overhead wiring are also all part of the company's varied repertoire. ESA's specially designed VHVI guide and display system enables power and switch heating systems in regional areas to be monitored and controlled centrally via a user interface.